Most research tools find information. They don't help you understand it. Perplexity AI does both, pulling insights from multiple sources and presenting them in a way that actually makes sense. Here's how to use it. Let's explore how to use Perplexity AI for AI research using product pricing research as an example. First, go to Perplexity AI. Start by identifying what we need to learn. For example, if we're exploring subscription-based AI tools, our goal might be to compare pricing models and find common factors that influence price decisions. We can use the advanced Perplexity features to make our research more detailed, like focus modes, or is now called connectors and sources. This filters searches by different categories. Next is Pro Search or Deep Research. Performs deep research by pulling information from multiple sources. Lastly, File Uploads lets you upload market reports or customer surveys for analysis. Now enter your prompt and let Perplexity do its work. Don't forget to verify search results by clicking on the sources to ensure the credibility of the data. Let's expand the research by asking, what factors influence customer willingness to pay for AI-powered software? Now your research is ready for the discussion with your team. Once that meeting starts, let's capture everything that happens inside it using Tactiq. Tactiq transcribes your Google Meet, Zoom, and Microsoft Teams meetings in real time, so every insight, decision, and next step gets captured automatically. And when the meeting ends, you can export the meeting transcript and combine your Perplexity research with your Tactiq transcript to turn spoken conversations into structured, actionable notes. No more switching between tools or piecing things together after the fact. Download the free Tactiq Chrome extension today. Subscribe for more tips about your favorite AI tools.